Hello friends, today we are going to solve a crypto arithmetic problem. This is the question, okay. THE into PEN, it gives SNTI PIAE HBNE. Then the final output is SHAAHI. So first of all we divide it three sections, okay. This is THE into N, it gives SNTI. Then THE into E, it gives PIAE. And third, THE into P, it gives HBNE. So out of these three we have to choose one case. So which case is more helpful to us? Let's see, choose case 2. Why? Because here you can see in THE there is an E and we multiply it into 2E and it gives the output also E. So there is two possibility cases are there where E into E equal to E, whether it 5, whether it 6. How? Suppose you can take E value equal to 5 and multiply with any odd number. It gives same value 5 at its unit digit. Otherwise you can take 6 into even number. It gives the same even number. So the value of E with either 5 or 6. Let's take case 3. In case 3 you can see that multiplication of E with P, it gives again value E. So two cases arises. When the value of E equal to 5, the value of P may be 3, 7, 9. When the value of E equal to 2, 4, 8, then the value of P equal to 6. So here I put the value of E equal to 5. So it becomes TH5 P5N, okay. That gives SNTI PIA5 HBN5. So there is one chance when you multiply 5 into N, it gives I. There is only one chance. If you multiply with its odd number, then it becomes 5, so that the value of E and the value of I is equal, which is not possible. So we have to take this N value as a even number. So the I value must be 0. You can take any even number, 2, 4, 8, whatever may be. The output will be 0. So the value of I will be 0. Here we can found that the value of I will be 0. So here I put E equal to 5, I equal to 0. So TH5 P5N gives SN, it's S and T, it's 0, not O, it's 0 digit. So this is also P0A5 and it's HBN5. So the final output will be SHAAH0. Now I'll divide the three cases and put the value of E equal to 5 and I value will be 0. So this is the output, okay. Now consider the case 2. Why? Because here we get maximum number of values, that is 4, other than 2 cases. So TH5 into 5 gives P0A5. In previous we decide that P equal to 3, 7, 9. Now we have to do hit and trial method. So first of all I take P equal to 3. Then the value will be TH5 into 5 equal to 30A5. Here I put p value equal to 3. There will be one chance. If you multiply 5 with t, when the value will be 30, the t value must be 6. Otherwise it won't be 30. So here I fix t equal to 6. Then put the value t equal to 6. By putting the value t equal to 6, here we get in unit digit 1. So check it. When t plus 5 equal to h. So 6 plus 5 equal to 1. So the value of h will be 1. Next we go to put the value h value as a p value as a 6, so that it becomes 615 into 5 equal to 30A5. Now we have to, it's become very easy. Now we can get the values. How? 615 into 35n gives xn60, and the second value will be 3075, and the third value is 1bn5. So and the output will be S17710. Here we can get that the value of n. We know that the value of 2, 6, 8. P already 6. We get that the remaining is 4, 2, 8. Okay. So here I put the value as a 4. So that we get the value here 2460. Now multiply these things, you can get all the values. Thank you.